The Deep Work Digital Detox. Integration of AI tech into daily routines and digital wellness. By Defy Narrative. We live in the noisiest age in human history. Every second, your attention is bombarded with pings, alerts, autoplay videos, AI-generated feeds, and addictive algorithms. We're not just addicted to our screens. We're overstimulated to the point where our attention is being stolen. And in the age of AI, your ability to focus deeply, your ability to think, is becoming a competitive advantage. Today, I'll walk you through a 5-step deep work digital detox designed to reclaim your attention, rebuild mental clarity, and make you AI-proof. Not by abandoning technology, but by using it deliberately, strategically, and on your terms. So, what is AI-proof deep work? Deep work isn't just sitting at a desk. It's the rare, valuable state where your mind operates with full focus, creating something meaningful, original, and hard to replicate. Here's the AI-proof part. AI is incredible at shallow work, replying to emails, summarizing notes, scheduling. AI can also be used for more complex tasks such as data analysis or even programming. But AI can't replace your deep thinking, your insight, your creativity. This detox doesn't make you anti-tech. It eliminates noise so you can focus on the signal. Let us then look into the 5-step deep work digital detox. Step by step. Step 1 is the Digital Friction Audit. You cannot fix what you can't see. Most people underestimate how often their attention gets stolen: a vibration, a pop-up, a message preview, a recommended video. Each one seems tiny, but together they shatter your focus. Tactic 1: the badge icon killer. Turn off all red notification badges. They exist specifically to hijack your attention. Tactic 2: the app shuffle. Move all time sync apps, social media, games, news, into a deep folder on the last page of your phone. Make them hard to reach. Tactic 3: the physical barrier. During deep work, your phone cannot be within arm's reach. Put it in a drawer, a backpack, or another room. Start by removing the triggers and eliminating the noise, to free your mind and give your brain a strategy to tackle important tasks. Step 2: the tool first focus rule. Most people open their devices unconsciously. They tap apps without intention. They scroll because the app wants them to, or not because they decided to. The tool first focus rule reverses that dynamic. Bypass browser. Before touching your device, ask, what tool do I need? And what exact task am I doing? Examples: I'm opening my phone to set a timer. I'm opening YouTube for one tutorial. I'm opening email to send one message. When your device has a job, it stops becoming a distraction machine. Dedicated AI tools. And this is where AI becomes your ally. Use Perplexity instead of opening 12 research tabs. Use AI calendar tools. Reclaim. Motion. To auto-block deep work sessions. Use AI to generate an outline, then turn it off and write with full focus. Single task apps. Browsers are designed for multitasking and discovery. Every open tab is a tug on your brain. Even if you don't click it, your brain spends energy ignoring it. Never start in a browser. Instead, start inside a single task tool. Let AI handle the noise, so you can handle the thinking. Step 3: Timebox social reset. Social media is engineered to hijack your attention. Infinite scroll, autoplay, personalized dopamine loops. But quitting cold turkey doesn't work. So instead, you schedule it. Examples: 15 minutes at lunch, 15 minutes in the evening. No social apps before noon. No apps after 9 p.m. Social media only on desktop. Think of it like a coffee break for your brain. The craving hits, and you tell yourself, "Not now. I have my social window later." A helpful tip: use a timer. When it rings, you close the app. This resets your dopamine system. Your mind becomes calmer. Your attention span begins to grow again. Step 4. Mindset anchor. The digital world pulls your mind upward, toward speed, stimulation, comparison, and overload. Your anchor pulls you downward, into clarity, calm, focus, and presence. Examples of anchors: morning journaling, a walk without your phone, reading physical books, breath work, hands-on hobbies, sitting in silence. These anchors give your mind a home base, a stable foundation. The 3-breath rule. Whenever you feel your attention fracturing, place your hands on your desk, take 3 slow breaths, and repeat. I am focused. I am creating value. It's a cognitive reset in under 10 seconds. Step 5. Recharge ritual. Deep focus requires deep energy, but digital life drains you. Your recharge ritual refills the tank. Activities that recharge the brain. 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Nature exposure. Nightly digital disconnect. Stretching or moving. Drinking water before caffeine. Intentional breaks. When your deep work session ends, avoid the trap of a reward scrolling. Instead, recharge offline. Stretch. Walk. Make tea. Breathe. This is often when your best ideas surface. Putting it all together. Let's recap. Digital Friction Audit. Remove interruptions. Tool First Focus Rule. Use tech intentionally. Timebox Social Reset. Contain the chaos. Mindset Anchor. Strengthen offline clarity. Recharge Ritual. Protect your energy. Individually, these steps seem small. Together, they transform your entire relationship with technology. Your mind becomes sharper. Your work becomes deeper. Your creativity returns. And most importantly, you reclaim control. Call to action. Pick just one of these 5 steps and try it for the next 48 hours. Maybe it's the badge icon killer. Maybe it's your scheduled social box. Then tell me in the comments, which step made the biggest difference in your deep work today? If you found this valuable, be sure to like and subscribe for more high-performance strategies. This is your moment to reset, refocus, and rise above the noise. Start your deep work digital detox today. Your future self will thank you.